I'm back with another one, and in this one we are going to take a look at some very new and very interesting props, one from GEMFAN and one from DAL. Both of them are the new floppy or foldable props. So let's open each one and see what's in the box and how they come in the packaging. So you have the hubs, the top portion, which has the popo mounting, and the bottom portion. So what's the easiest way to assemble the props? I usually sort the blades by orientation, like so. So you can see this is the top part of the prop. So yeah, the way it goes together, you simply slide the blades one by one and you use the bottom portion and simply press it together. So yeah, you have the assembled prop. So I'm going to do the same with the GEMFAN one, and we are going to compare it. So it's basically the same with the top portion and the bottom portion. But you can see the difference here. So the hub is thinner on this one than this. So on the GEMFAN you have the thicker blade going on the, let's call it ball, but on the DAL one you have the bigger hole here going on the hub. So yeah, that's the difference, first difference. Yeah, and you can see when you assemble the GEMFAN prop, it's not actually flopping around like on the DAL. So it's actually much firmer. I don't even have the hub on here right now, but the blade actually stays together. But with this one, doesn't matter how hard I squeeze, it always stays somewhat loose. So yeah, let's assemble the prop. So yeah, here's the assembled GEMFAN, and here is the assembled Dalprop, and you can already see the difference in blade thickness. So the GEMFAN one has much thicker root of the blade than the DAL, and way more prop surface area. Even on the tip they are different. I actually found that whatever DAL makes or innovates, the GEMFAN does it better. So I predict that these blades or these props are going to have more power and actually behave better than these ones. So one more interesting thing is that you can do this with a DAL blade, but you cannot actually fold the GEMFAN prop that much. It's not an issue, because when you have when you have it on the quad, you can still fold it inwards and you don't have anything sticking up. So yeah, and yeah, that's actually the structural differences between the blades. So yeah, and actually when you take a look at the root of the blade, I find that the GEMFANs are, I don't think you can see it, but are slightly longer, but ever so, just a smidge. Yeah, so let's go and take the drone for a spin, and I'll give you my honest opinion about these two blades. Well, here's the conclusion to my flight test of both DAL Fold and Floppy Proppy from GEMFANs. As I predicted, I like the GEMFANs way better. They have more grip. I feel that the same motors and everything. I have more trust coming from this, which is, well, yeah, it had something to do with the more surface area and everything. And overall, I really like the GEMFANs better. One more thing is when you have the folding props, I noticed that I don't change the props that much. So when I hit something, I don't know if the blade actually gives a little bit in the crash or something, but I really find these blades more durable. So all in all, I think this is really the future of quad blades, and I don't see any drawback of having foldable propellers rather than the standard rigid ones. So yeah, the price is almost the same. You can swap, if you like, the individual blades one by one. You don't need to replace the whole propeller, and flight characteristics are really identical to standard props. So yeah, if you like these props and want to try by yourself either the DALs or GEMFAN, you can find them in the link below. So yeah.